Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going straight into creating project plans using Zoho Project. Our first step is to log into your Zoho Project account. This is where all the magic happens, where you create, manage, and track your project plans. Now that we're logged in, let's head straight to the Projects tab. This is the hub for all your ongoing and future projects. From here, we can create a new project plan with just a few clicks. Next up, click on the New Project button. This will open up a form where you'll enter the necessary details about your project. The reason we do this is to establish a clear outline of what your project is about, its timeline, and assign roles to your team members. So let's fill out this form. Name your project, define its timeline, identify the project manager, and assign tasks to your team members. This helps us because it creates a roadmap for what needs to be done, by whom, and when. Let me explain why this matters. A well-defined project plan can significantly improve productivity and ensures everyone is on the same page. It eliminates confusion and sets clear expectations for your team. Once you're done filling out the form, click Create, and voila, you've just created your project plan. But we're not done yet. Our final step is to review the project plan. Go to the Gantt chart view. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The Gantt chart visualizes your project timeline, showing task dependencies and the progress of each task. Reviewing this ensures that your project plan is realistic and achievable. And that's it. You've now created your project plan in Zoho Project. Remember, a good project plan is the backbone of successful project management. Thanks for joining us today, and see you in our next tutorial.